Hello everyone, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Inspiration Educational Group. So today we are back with another video, but it is for your writing task because writing is an important part of our IELTS exam. So if you want to appear for the exam, just go through these ideas so that you can prepare an effective essay in order to sit for the exam and fetch maximum scores as you can. Okay, if you have not subscribed the channel, please do so. Alright, now we are going to start with today's lecture. So today we are discussing about few tips which are important to create an effective essay, that is task 2. So essentially telling you about the task 2. So the thing is that a task 2 would be of 250 words and it is mandatory to keep the length in mind. You should not go beyond 45 to 50 lines. And the next thing that you have to keep in mind, you have to read the topic again and again. It should be twice, thrice or more than that in order to get the topic properly. If you do not get the topic properly, you would not be able to create an effective essay. The second point that you have to keep in mind is vocabulary. So you have to use different kind of vocabulary in order to fetch the band scores. For example, if you want to use important, you have to use pivotal, vital, significant, cardinal, prominent. And the third tip for the writing task 2 is you have to draft rough points based on their allocation. Suppose for introduction, you have to write few lines or few ideas that should be used for introduction itself, then for body para 1, body para 2 and for the summary. So nothing should be repeated again in order to get the best out of the test. Okay, the fourth point that is mandatory to be kept in mind. So here you have to keep the structure. The structure is an effective way to get the scores. If you are adding an example, it should be an effective example from the overall word. It should be from the surrounding. It should not be from your nearby relations such as your friends or colleagues. It should be from the outer word. Okay, the next tip for creating an effective essay is you have to make sure that every point introduced in the paragraph is relevant to the question. If you write something that is not relevant to the question, that would be marked as wrong and your band would be deducted for the same. Alright, let's move further towards the last point that you have to keep in mind. Please use some conjunctions in order to clear your point stated into the paragraph. Suppose if you are writing something into the body paragraph 1 and that is related to globalization, you have to clarify that in other words, or you can use to elaborate the point, and many other ways are available in order to clarify your point. So please make sure that you elaborate the point clearly so that examiner should get your idea precisely. Alright guys, thank you for listening. For the personal lectures, please contact us at 90564 88200, 90565 88200. We will definitely help you in getting the best band score that you have imagined or decided about. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Please subscribe the channel Inspiration IELTS for the further updates regarding writing.